What do you think the government should do better for those affected by the oil crisis in our country? Again, what do you think the government should do better for those who affected by the oil crisis in our country?
Thank you so much for the timely and relevant question. I believe that the government should or will be able to help those affected with the oil price hike in our country by talking the talk, by walking the talk rather, not just talking the talk. Because I believe that every problem will be solved when our government are putting their words into action. And my suggestions are the following. First, have a plan. You should prepare subsidies for the marginalized section in our community, especially those who cannot or can barely survive their meal in a day. Second, it is timely, relevant for the government to do programs and projects with integration of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, especially this SDG 11 or what we call sustainable communities and cities, and SDG number 12, which is the responsible production and consumption. In this, we can teach people on how to survive this oil price hike. We can mitigate the impact in our country. We cannot just say that you should do that, you should do that. No, but we have to put an action in every word that coming out in our mind. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Jester Setubal Balatungan, and I have spoken. Thank you.
Thank you so much.